Hey guys, it's East Carnage, and as you can see, it's snowing. I measured it, and it's about a foot right now. Probably 10 inches, 10 to 12 inches right now. I did shovel a few hours ago, and it's already snowed back in. It's really coming down hard right now, so the next scene you'll see is I'll be outside. I've got our garden filled. Alright guys, I'll be outside right now. Here we are, we're outside right now. Shovel the steps. There's the snow, guys. All white and stuff. We haven't had this much snow since 2003, and before that, 1996. And I've lived here for 20 years, so it's pretty amazing what snow does. I mean, when I was little, I used to love like playing inside snow and, you know, just having fun, but now it's just so much of a big hassle. You know, shoveling, driving in it, digging up your cars, but I still like the look of it. It just makes everything look beautiful and stuff. So I'm just gonna stop talking, put a little music in right now. All right. Well, I'll probably have another video of it, because it's supposed to snow all today and tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching.